For years, George Bush has tried to privatize Social Security, but he hasn't been alone. John Sununu has been right there with him, fighting to privatize Social Security all along the way. Sununu has supported George Bush's plan to gamble Social Security in the stock market. Sununu has supported George Bush's plan to drastically cut the guaranteed Social Security benefit. Imagine what would have happened to Social Security in the last few weeks if Bush and Sununu had gotten their way. Stocks collapsing, banks failing, companies going bankrupt. How would you have felt if the money you were counting on from Social Security had been at risk in the stock market? How are you going to feel if John Sununu gets his way and Social Security is privatized? Soon George Bush will be leaving Washington. It's time for John Sununu to go too. Paid for by the Democratic Senatorial Campaign Committee, www.dscc.org. Not authorized by any candidate or candidates committee. The Democratic Senatorial Campaign Committee is responsible for the content of this advertising.